I've been stacking my way to one full Bitcoin live, non-stop, every Monday through Friday, every weekday for over 2 years straight.
Hi, welcome to Stack Sats Show, your beginner-friendly guide to saving and... Welcome back to another episode of the Stack Bitcoin Show. My name is Roman. I am your beginner-friendly guide to saving in Bitcoin. We've been saving in Bitcoin here for 2 years.
That's 430 plus live streams, $20 at a time, rain or shine. This channel is a real-time journey to reach one whole Bitcoin. Each stream has 4 parts.
The Bitcoin strength.
We check the Bitcoin price and break it down for beginners.
At the current price of Bitcoin, if you spend $1, you can get about 3,714 Satoshis. $105,463.80. That means that you can buy 948 Satoshis for a single dollar. What is a Satoshi? A Satoshi is a fraction of a Bitcoin. Just like a dollar is made up of 100 cents, a Bitcoin is made up of 100 million Satoshis. Why we stack?
We talk about why Bitcoin matters, especially for savings.
Super simple. This is a portion of the show where we orange pill. We talk to you about why you should be saving in Bitcoin, and not because it's good for me, but because it's good for you. For example, did you know if you have a bunch of savings and they're in dollars, as the supply of dollars increases, the purchasing power of those individual dollars goes down and you are becoming less wealthy. You're able to buy less things with that same money. The stack recap, because we don't only talk about stacking Bitcoin here Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 5 p.m. Eastern. We actually do it.
The stack recap, where we go over our current holdings since the beginning of the show 2 years ago and review all of our buys, our current position, how much Bitcoin we're holding, and what it's currently worth.
Here's our spreadsheet. Here's the form. Today's the 22nd. We got 18,000 sats for $5. And the current value of it, even though we spent $5, is about $493. There's our stack for 2025. $3,960 set aside so far, and it's grown to $4,526 for a 14% gain just in 6 months. In 2024, we saved aside $7,345 saved, and it's now worth $12,911 for a 75% gain just from the savings we've done in Bitcoin in 2024. For the whole lifespan of the show since the beginning, May 22nd, 2023, we've set aside $14,769, and it's currently worth $28,734 for a gain of 94.55%. And now that we know how much Bitcoin we're going to buy, there's only one thing left to do. Time to stack some Bitcoin. All right, here we go. Let's do it.
Stack Bitcoin. And that is when we actually purchase $20 worth of Bitcoin at a minimum.
18,000 sats. That is our stack of the day. We stacked sats today. Congratulations. Drum roll, please. Buying $20 worth of Bitcoin right now on the Stack Bitcoin show for today's dollar cost average. There it is. After stacking Bitcoin for 2 years, 1 month, and 2 days, the final amount is 0.3776619. So it's about $40,000 worth of value right now.
If you're curious about Bitcoin but feel overwhelmed by all the noise, or maybe you started buying and want to stay consistent, or maybe you just want to see what a real DCA journey looks like without hype, without trading, just saving, and you're in the right place. I believe Bitcoin is the best savings technology ever created. I'm showing what it looks like to build a Bitcoin position one step at a time, and I'm inviting you to come along with me. So if you want to understand Bitcoin while actually seeing what happens when you save in Bitcoin, hit subscribe. I go live Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 5 p.m. Eastern. Remember, if you ain't stacking, you're slacking.